Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic Science of an Emotionally Unavailable Partner. They are distracted most of the time. One of the best part about sharing a meaningful relationship with your partner is the ability to be yourself. However, some people take this opportunity for granted. For their own reasons, they are always distracted, never available for your conversation, while expecting you to be there for theirs. This one sided love affair eventually starts taking its toll sooner or later. Number 1. Only talks about emotionally easy things. We get it. No one likes to be and Dobby Donor or speak about emotionally intense subjects all the time. It can take a toll on our mental health. Still, if your partners never talks about difficult topics, it could mean that there is a certain emotional baggage that they are unwilling to access or share with you. Number 2. Emotionally inconsistent. If your partner's feeling towards you keeps oscillating between hot and cold, then it's possible red flag. While they might have their own reasons for being this way, your feelings and emotions matters too. It is difficult to be around emotionally inconsistent people, and sooner or later that can catch up to you. Number 3. Brings up their exes. Oh boy, this is loaded one. If they are bringing up their ex all the time, especially if they are foul mouthing them, it just means they are still a part of them that's yet to heal from that hurt. It can get a little awkward for you as a partner if their ex has more of their attention than you. Number 4. They are a closed books. While it may have been sexy and intriguing at the beginning of the relationship, their mistake can become downright annoying after the points. Usually, an emotionally unavailable partner does not like it sharing their own experiences. They try to be close as possible, so you end up feelings for two rather than just you. Fifth, ambiguous status. Despite having been together for a while, your partner still has trouble in properly defining your relationship. They find comfort in that ambiguity while you are left constantly second guessing. Number 6. Conflicted resolution. Fight and arguments, as long as they are respectful, are a healthy components to any relationship. But it takes a sense of security and maturity to not leave an argument unresolved. An emotionally unavailable person may not have interest in sitting together and working through your problems. Many times, your argument does not find closure, leading to an ever increasing laundry list of unresolved issues in your head. It is not a healthy space for anyone to be in. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.